Yeah, negative indexes in arrays. Okay, what is negative index? 10, 20, 30 we have given. This is A is pointing here, P is pointing here. Okay, if A is pointing here, A of 0 and A of 1, A of 2, this is a positive index, and P is pointing here, this is a P of 0, P of minus 1, P of minus 2, it is a negative index. Clear it is? Negative index. Negative index means left side, left side. Positive index means right side. Okay, draw this diagram and write this. Negative indexes in arrays.
Sir, can you
Yeah,
explain the last question? P is equals to ARY. Audio was not proper.
yeah, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
See, all of you. If I write array, memory will be allocated, right? Memory will be allocated. This is 4 memory locations will be allocated. ARY is pointing to this location. ARY is pointing to this location. Base address ARY it is pointing to this. Okay, if I declare P of 4, does it allocate another memory or same memory? That is another memory or same memory? It allocates another memory, right? It allocates another memory. Are you following? That is 4 memory location. There are 4 memory locations it creates. Okay, what is that memory location pointer? P is a pointing to that array. P is pointing to that array. Okay, now what we are doing? What is this step, guys? P equals to ARY means what? P equals to ARY. What is the
Initialize.
meaning of this step? You are assigning ARY value to P,
Assigning.
right? ARY value to P means now what is the meaning? This address you are assigning to this. Already it is pointing some other location. It is pointing this memory location. Okay, what is the meaning? You are assigning this array address. Okay, can you change this location to this location? Are you following? Can you change to this location to this location?
No.
No, see this array is a 1, 2, 3, 4 values are there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is P of 4? P of 4 is a garbage value. This is garbage and this is garbage and this is garbage. All values are garbage. Now we are assigning array address, ARY address to P. Now it is pointing to this. It is pointing to this. But this is not valid. Why? Because P is a constant pointer. If it is star P, guys, see, are you following? If it is star P, you can write like this. P equals to ARY. That is why, because it is a variable pointer. It's a variable pointer. But if it is a P of 4 constant pointer means it points to only one memory location. We cannot change those locations. Why? Because it's a constant pointer. We cannot change that location. That's why it is error. This step is error. Compile time error it is. Okay. Yeah, negative indexes.
Yes, sir.
Draw this. Negative indexes. Draw the diagram. Clear, guys? This. Yeah, next one. Now using loops, I want to read 5 array elements and I want to print them. Okay. This question is asking, right? Okay. Okay, what is this question? See guys, here we have taken array of four elements. We have taken array 4 elements, 1 2 3 4, right? This is 1 2 3 4. 4 elements we have taken, 1 2 3 4. Now pointer we have taken int star p is pointing to array of 3, p is pointing to this array, p is pointing to this element. Now star p equals to 5. What is the meaning? In this location we are assigning 5. Already 4 is there, this value means you are updating that address location value, that is 5 it is, right? What is array of 3? 4 or 5 or 3, that is 5. Why? Because you modify, that answer is 5. Okay, clear Nitin?
Okay.
Yeah. Next one, how to access array elements using loops, right? We write on program, accept 5 array elements from the user, accept 5 array elements from the user, print it on the screen, print it on the screen. Okay, see, if you want to read 5 array elements, normally how to read a first element? I want to read a first, if I declare int is array of 5, guys, see, int is array of 5 elements I want to read. Okay, how to read 5 elements, you know, right? This is the way you can read. Scanf, using scanf, first element, how to read? Address of a of 0. This is first element reading, right? A of 0. Same way you have to read other 4 elements also. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4, right? First read these elements 1 2 3 4. Okay, how to read these 5 elements? This is the way you have to read. Scanf percent ID, first element store here, second element and third element, fourth element and fifth element. If 100 elements are there, you cannot write like this. Are you following? Then how to write? Okay, you have to take for loop, take for I equals to 0, first element, and I less than 5. We have to take up to 4, right? I less than 5, I plus plus. We use the loops. We use the loops. Instead of writing 5 scanf statement, instead of writing 5 scanf statements, we write like this: scanf of series. Okay, which element you are reading? First element, read percentile integer. You have to write address of a of I, a of I, right? First element stored in a of 0, second element stored in a of 1, a of 2 and a of 3 and a of 4, right? This is we're using loops. If it is 10 element, just write the 10. Okay, how to print them one by one element? You know that how to print them. If you want to print, we use like this. Okay, percentile print a of 0 element, right? And how to print a of 1, a of 2? Same way you can write a printf statement: a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. Okay, we write like this: a of 1, a of 2 and a of 3 and a of 4. Okay, we can't if it is 10 elements are there, we can't write this 10 printf statement. That's why you have to use the loop again. I equals to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, we use loops to print. Okay, what is the common statement? Printf percentile d you use to print those elements, and instead of a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, we write a of 5. This is the way you can read the elements. This is using indexes, read and print them. This is the way you can read, this is the way you can print. Okay, I will show you without using pointer. I will show you with using pointer also. We write a program. This is without using pointers, guys. See, with using pointers also we write a program. See, read 5 elements. This is assigning. Don't assign a values, just declare. And what is required? I also required. Read 5 elements and print them. Okay, how to read 5 elements and how to print? We use for loop to print them. I equals to 0, right? I less than 5 and I plus plus. Okay, I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. We use scanf statement. We use scanf and percentile address of a of I. Okay, before this I give a one message, print a enter array elements. I give one message. See this, enter array elements. Enter array elements. Okay, how to enter array elements? This is the way you can read. Okay, print the array elements also. How to print them? I want to print them. Print the array elements. How to print the array elements? I give a message. Array elements are. Okay, how to print array elements? Same loop. Use a loop. I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. Okay, I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. Print them. How to print? Printf of, we can use percentile a of I. Okay, when we are printing the element, use slash and it goes to the next line. Guys, see this. Enter array elements. We have to read array elements 10, 20, and 30, and 40, and 50. Okay, array elements are, it is printing like this. Okay, when we are reading, I want first element, which element you are entering. I want one statement like this. Now here I give one message. What is that message? Printf enter first element. Okay, what is that first element? I will write a of percentile d. Okay, what is the a of percentile d? It right. See, percentile d means nothing but I value. See how it takes this value. If I write this statement, what will happen? If I write this statement, what will happen? First it takes, if we enter that element, a of 0 it shows. Example, see, it shows like this. First element, a of 0, 10, a of 1. Second element stored like a of 2, 30, a of 4, 40, and a of 5, 50. Okay, when you are displaying also, I want to display same way. If you want to display also, how to display here? We can use that printf statement. Only it is printing that a of percentile d equals to percentile d. Two percentile d's are there. One is first percentile is a I value, second percentile is a of I value, I and a of I. Once check the output, first element a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. See, array elements are, it prints like this. This is without using pointers. Without using pointers, we can write like this. Okay, guys, write this program. With using pointers also, we write a program with using pointers. This is reading array elements and printing. Without errors and with arrays. Sorry, without pointers, with pointers. First write, guys, this.